In 1935, Foshan is a hub of southern Chinese martial arts, where the various school students compete against each other. Ip Man, the most skilled martial artist in town, maintains a low profile while building a reputation for skill through friendly, closed-door competitions with other masters. One day, a local troublemaker named Yuan loses his kite, which lands in a tree in the Ip family's backyard. While retrieving it, Yuan witnesses Ip defeating fellow Kung Fu master Liu in a sparring match, and spreads the news around town, inadvertently embarrassing Liu. Yuan's brother Lin, a restaurant owner and disciple of Liu, publicly embarrasses Yuan as he tries to arrange a rematch between Liu and Ip. During the Second Sino-Japanese War, Ip and his family are forced to move into a decrepit apartment after the Imperial Japanese Army confiscates the house for use as their military headquarters. Desperate to support his family, Ip finds work at a coal mine alongside Lin, who hopes to reconcile with his brother for humiliating him but has so far failed to track him down. General Mura, a Japanese karate master, sets up an arena where Chinese martial artists can fight with his military trainees for a bag of rice. Former police officer Li Chao, now an interpreter for the Japanese, offers the martial artists the opportunity to fight in the arena. Ip at first declines to participate, but agrees to go following Lin's disappearance after taking part. At the arena, Ip witnesses Liu being executed by Mura's deputy Colonel Sato, for picking up a bag of rice from a prior victory after giving up a second match against 3 karateka. Deducing that Lin was killed in his fight against Mura, Ip demands a match with 10 karateka at once, whom he brutally defeats. His skill arouses the interest of Mura, who asks Ip to return. Ip collects Liu's bag of rice and gifts it to his surviving family. Jin Shenchao, a highly skilled northern Chinese martial arts master who once defeated all the masters in Foshan except Ip, now leads a bandit gang and harasses the workers at a cotton mill run by Ip's friend Chao Ching Chuan. Ip agrees to train the workers in Wing Chun for self-defense. The workers are able to stall the gang when they return, as Ip arrives to defeat Jin and Yuan, now a part of the gang. After the fight, Ip confronts Yuan and gives him a small tin that belonged to Lin after informing him of his brother's death. Yuan opens the tin and finds his kite inside. This motivates Yuan to leave the gang.